All right, so we're all familiar with cheat codes, right? You plug them into your video game and suddenly you're in God mode with infinite wealth. Well, there's a cheat code for the universe, for the game that we are in now. This shared hallucination that we call life, we've got the cheat codes. So hang on just a minute and let's talk about that, okay? What's up, Manifesting Family? I'm Marna, and thank you for joining me. I am a manifestation and mindset coach, and I tend to approach manifesting from a science based perspective. I use techniques and tools backed by quantum physics, so you can use these methods to reliably get the results you want. Before we dive into this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up so it can reach more people. And I do have a free PDF on manifesting cryptocurrency available. Details of getting that are in the description box below. All right, so cheat codes for the universe? I'm in. I'm really excited today to talk to you about this. This is the Grabovoi Codes. You may have heard about this. It's been a huge thing lately over on TikTok, with a lot of people saying that these are the cheat codes to manifesting. And I'm here today to share with you how to use them and how I've been able to use them to manifest gains in my cryptocurrency. So, this is bringing more wealth into my life than I have ever had before, and I am so excited to share this with you. So, the Grabovoi numbers were developed by a Russian psychic known as Gregory Grabovoi. These numbers use radionic signatures to help heal illnesses, affect your manifestation, basically tap into the energy frequencies of any quantum morphic field and manifest anything you like. Radionic theory and practice is the concept that humans in all of our forms are connected to each other within the electromagnetic field. All life forms carry their own electromagnetic field, quantum morphic field, but when they are distorted, you can see these fields can create sickness or dis-ease. When you understand that it's all energy, the radionics look at the organs, the diseases, remedies as having their own particular frequency or vibration. And these frequencies can be expressed in numerical values or geometric patterns. The numbers can identify and treat diseases and problems from a distance. So, what we're going to do today is talk about how you can use these numbers to affect the quantum field of your cryptocurrencies and create greater value within those fields. Okay, now we can use the Grabovoi numbers on a daily basis in any form of manifestation if you are trying to bring health into your life, bring wealth into your life. So, this is something to work with right now. Now, I want you to write these numbers down: 426499. And the ways that you're able to use this number is that on a daily basis, I want you to really focus on these numbers. Even say them out loud as often as you are comfortable doing it. But honestly, when you're saying these numbers, I want you to smile. I want you to think positive. I want you to visualize the wealth literally pouring into your life with a quickness. I want you to also get rid of all doubt. Now, if you've done any manifesting with me, if you have taken any of my courses, if you've watched my manifestation videos, you know that doubt will kill your manifestation. Doubt puts the brakes on the momentum of your manifestation within the quantum morphic field. So I need you to let go, be detached from the outcome, and let go of that doubt. Now, the more you are detached, the more you're showing the universe that you are ready to receive. More of the wealth that you're calling upon you in your life. You're open and ready for it to come in. You do not need it. You are open to it. So if you're looking to manifest unexpected wealth into your life, well, I want you to write down these numbers: 5207418. And both of these number sets, um, you can use more than one. Both of these number sets bring wealth into your lives. They bring it in unexpected ways, and they bring it in through increasing value of what you already have. So if you've already purchased your crypto and you want to increase the value, you want to see those spikes on the chart, these are the numbers to use. I mean, we can all use more wealth in our lives. And we can agree that both of these numbers will work on tapping into that frequency of wealth. You can write it on an index card and just stick it in your mirror so you can activate it with your emotions. And another way that you can activate these Grabovoi codes is you write them down and then stare at the number. Write it in the air in front of you with your finger and then say them out loud repeatedly, at least 10 times. And it doesn't have to be, so strict, but any way that you align to these numbers, anything that makes you feel good about these numbers, do it that way. Work them into your daily life. And this is one of many manifestation techniques. As you know, different techniques work better with different people as their visualization styles and learning styles differ. So, this is another one that you can add to your arsenal. Now, another way that you can activate these numbers is you sit down, go into a calm, meditative state. Really allow yourself to be grounded in this state. Visualize the numbers in your head. I mean, really see the numbers. 5, 2, 0, 7, 4, 1, 8. And when you can focus on these numbers and say them aloud, you are invoking to the universe that you're ready to receive unexpected wealth in your life. And another fantastic way you can use this Grabovoi code is using it with water manifestation. And I've done a previous video on water manifestation. I should have it linked up above. It's one of my favorite ways to bring anything that I'm really consciously aware of into my life. So the way you do this is I want you to put your Grabovoi code on an index card. Place it on a piece of paper on the table. And then I want you to have a glass of water. And as you guys know, if you don't remember, please make sure to watch this water manifestation video. I want you to rub your hands together so that you can create energy in your hands. And I want you to put it around the water and just invoke the numbers again, putting real intensive intention into this. Focus on the intention going into the water because this receives the energy from your hands as well as the activated code that is sitting underneath your water on the table. And that way, when you drink the water, the code is absorbed into you on a cellular level. Now, another way you can use the Grabovoi code is, put the written code on that index card under your pillow with a crystal. And, pillow manifestation, crystal manifestation works really, really well for a lot of people, and I've got a video coming up on that. So you can learn how to do that manifestation method. It's just really important to always remember that when you're manifesting, there is no right way to manifest. You have to find the way that most resonates with you. So again, the ways that you can activate this Grabovoi code to bring in unlimited, unexpected, immediate wealth in your life. Say this number on a daily basis. Visualize this number whenever you can. And when you're doing these activities, feel good about it. I want you to feel that you are absolutely signaling off to the universe your request, that you are in the air of receiving. You are not needy. You are not desperate. You are open. And it will deliver it to you in divine timing. Then you can write the Grabovoi code if you're writing it down, use the color green because that's going to be a very intentional reminder that you're looking at cash. So it looks, you write something like 426499 on one index card, and you write 5207418 on another. You can even write both of these codes on opposite sides of the same index card if you want. Put it next to your chest so that you feel that it allows you to feel this frequency of wealth in your life. If you want to write it down on something folded up, stick it in your bra and walk around with it. Whatever it is that you're doing, do it joyously. Do it with a smile on your face. Do it with positive energy. I am claiming this. This is already mine. And you will absolutely see the fruits of your labor. I mean, every single time I use this code, a Grabovoi code, I even put it, on my coaster on my desk. I made a specific cutout of this Grabovoi code and I put it on my coaster. So every time I have my morning tea, every time I'm drinking my water, I'm activating it with this specific code to bring in wealth into my life. So right now, I want you to leave it in the comment section below which Grabovoi code you're going to use from today's video, or if you're going to use both of them. And also share how you're going to activate yours so it can inspire more people to understand how it is they too can manifest more wealth into their life. I am so excited to hear from you guys, all of your manifestations, because it is so fun, honestly, to really understand that we are in this game of life together. And when you know the cheat codes, we are the controller. We are the creator of our experience. So when you can take on that conviction, when you can take on that responsibility and say, hey, there's no one else outside of me that is going to get me to where I want to be in my life. It's always going to be up to me to create a fulfilling life for me, to create a happy, joyous life. It is up to you on a daily basis to do mindful activities that allow you to align to that frequency that you do desire when it comes to money, manifestation of cryptocurrency values. And, you guys know, I will always share with you, no matter where you are currently in your relationship with money, you can absolutely deepen it. You can absolutely increase it in a way that will allow you to really understand how money is really here for you. We are actually given in the spiritual life this idea of using money as a tool to have our truest life experiences, to have our truest life desires, and to help other people, to feed other people, and to remind other people that they too can manifest and that they too can enjoy all the wealth that this life has to offer us. This is not just about the activity, it's also the mindset that you have when it comes to manifesting in your life. So when you're doing these Grabovoi codes, don't you dare have any self-doubt. When you are manifesting wealth into your life, you don't have room for self-limiting beliefs. When it comes to manifesting your cryptocurrency increases, the money is there. It's waiting for you. So you can think about how you are just reaching out and taking what is already yours. In this world, there are more wealthy people than there have ever been before, and you are part of that wealth. Understand how powerful you are to be given this opportunity to be right here on earth, right now, to experience all of this wealth that is available to us. So I want you to really use this as an empowering way for you to understand that life is about freedom. Life is about being prosperous. Life is about really allowing yourself to see the abundant experiences that are on offer. And it's always going to be up to you to choose if you're going to align to that frequency that you desire, or if you're going to keep on saying the same old story. So again, drop me a note in the comments. Let me know about your manifestations, because that helps me do a better job of helping you manifest your cryptocurrency gains. I am Marna. Thank you for joining me. Have a beautiful day.